another challenges. So the land is slippery. He was about to fall down at that point because of the slippery of land. I've said earlier, it rained heavily yesterday, and that was just second in the last 7 days, which is exactly we are expecting. But prior to that, it has not been rain. So a lot of agro commodities planted on farm has been suffering, especially maize. Ẹ dúró, mo fẹ́ sáré show nǹkan kan. Mo fẹ́ show effect pé bójú ò ṣe rọ̀ yẹn, ibi tó ti affect àwọn àgbàdo yẹn. Mo kàn fẹ́ sáré show ẹ̀. So I told him to wait a bit for me. So I quickly want to document the effects of lack of rain due to climate change on this maize farm. As you can see stunted growth. See stunted growth. See just how many, as in the number of the population that are affected due to stunted growth as a result of lack of rain. Just imagine. Just imagine. Look at the population and see stunted growth. Then another sign is they have started flowering. What do we call it? That flowering, tasseling. Yes, I think it's tasseling. So that is the right term, I think. So they have started. See, they have started fruiting as well. And this is poor fruiting. Why? Because for the past 1 month there was no rain. So that is poor fruiting. That is poor fruiting. Yes, you know it by the strength of the, look at it. That is poor fruiting. Yes, look at it. Just imagine how thin the fruiting is, and even the stem. So you know it by comparing the strength and weight of the stem, of the corn stem, to the fruiting, to the corn that is fruiting. So these are signs of, imagine the amount that went into cultivating this corn farm, and it has been affected by rain, lack of rain. Because this majority of this smallholder farmer is trying to talk to one of them. So that's another smallholder farmer. Let me try to zoom in. So he's trying to talk. So that's one of youth smallholder farmer down there. So you see the jerry can, the keg of jerry can. Ṣé omi ló wà ńbẹ̀ àbẹ́ mu? So kí ló dé tí ẹ̀yin ò gbé omi? Mo rò pé ẹ máa ń gbé omi ńlá báyìí. So I asked him now, that's why. So when I saw the keg, I first asked him, so is it a keg of jerry can, as in jerry can of water or palm wine? And he said water. So I now asked him, why don't you carry your own big jerry can of water for wetting today? So, and just as I initially opined, so he said because it rained heavily yesterday, so there's no need for him to wet today. So now he said again that when there is no rain again, as in when it is not raining again, like for let's say 2, 3 or a week, that they used to scoop the water on the road, yes, to go and wet the farm, and that's, I think, relieve them of carrying the jerry can of water from home, as you have been walking down here to come and wet. That's a kind of relief. So look at that level of stubbornness. So they need source of water, they need land, they need means of transportation for easy access to their farm, a lot of things. Even Kí ló wà nínú báàgì yín?
Aṣọ oko.
Ok, ẹ ṣì ẹ kàn jẹ ẹ gbé ojú ẹ báyìí ẹ kàn gbé fún mo ti rí kò ní ìdí. So I asked him what is in the bag. So I wanted to check something. So I observed that I didn't see a sign that he is in possession of a farm boot. That's the reason why I asked to affirmatively confirm first, and it's the same thing that I think. So there's no farm. Phone me to hey, my phone is about to shut down. That's one of the challenges we are experiencing. There was no light for over 3 days now. So I managed to charge with my laptop before I'm following down to farm, and the phone is about to shut down. Oh, see another woman. Let me quickly before the phone shuts down. So that's another woman working on farm. Okay, let me pause if I'm able to switch it on again.